So we will see a simple way and a shortcut way of finding the roots of quadratic equation. Very simple way, and you can say what shortcut way also to finding roots of quadratic. Roots means what? Zeros. Already you studied in polynomials chapter. Roots means what? Zeros. Clear? So any quadratic equation we have two roots. Since it is a it has degree 2. Clear? It has degree 2. So you have two roots. Clear? So now we will find out a very simple way, shortcut way we can find out the roots of quadratic equation. You see, first what you have to do means, as usual, splitting the middle term you have to use. That method only you have to use, but in a shortcut way. First write x square coefficient. This part already you know. Clear? 2 into minus 90 is how much? Minus 180. Split into two factor. Split it into two factors as usual. Split it into two factors means you have to get the middle. Here, middle term coefficient, that is plus 3. You have to write plus 3. Okay, when you add, you have to get plus 3. When you product, you have to get minus 180. Clear? Such factor you have to find out. Such factor you have to find out. Clear? What are the factors? The 180 you have. So immediately you cannot find out the factor. That's why you do this way. 180 you divide in two tables. Simply divide two tables. 90. Again divide two tables. How much? 45. Again divide three tables. 15. Again divide 5. Right? Up to prime number you have to divide. Clear? Last prime number you have to divide. Better use prime factorization method. That will be easy. Clear? Now you see. Multiply and see. Clear? You have to get plus 3. You have to get plus 3. Like that you have to multiply and see that. So 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 3, 12. 12, 15. Yes, correctly it is coming. Or 15, 12. Anyway you take. 15, 12. 15, 12 you take. Right? Here the sign is what? Plus. Plus you put. Correctly you put biggest number puts plus sign. Smallest minus sign means when adding plus 3. When product minus 180, correctly it is coming. Clear? So next step very important. Okay, what you have to do is, you see the first term what you have, 2x squared you have. That you have to take 2x. You have to take 2x. First coefficient and divided by 2x here. Divided by 2x. Here also divided by 2x. Divided by 2x you do. Clear? So divided by 2x. That is rule. Clear? What you have to do is, you take x squared coefficient. Clear? X squared coefficient you take, okay, into x you have to take. Okay, into x, not x squared. X you have to take. Because here only, then only what? X into x squared will get. That's why that is the method. Clear? Now you see, you simplify this. Here we cannot simplify. Here we can simplify. This 2 you cut it means what? 6. 2 you cut it means, okay, 6. You can simplify this. Now we have to write into factor form. You see how I am writing using 2x plus 15 as it is you have to write. Therefore, that is nothing but 2x plus 15 into x minus 6. X minus 6. X minus 6 equal to 0. Okay. Easily you can find out the two factors. Clear? This is quadratic equation. We can easily find out two factors. Now equal to 0 there means both factor you have to make equal to 0. So what you will get? 2x plus 15 equal to 0 and x minus 6 equal to 0. So here what you will get? X is equal to minus 15 by 2 and here x is equal to 6. So minus 15 by 2 and 6 are roots of this quadratic equation. Are the roots of quadratic equation. Clear? Minus 15 by 2 and 6 are roots of quadratic equation. QB means quadratic equation. Okay. So easily you can find out the roots by using this method. Clear? Otherwise, you have to split the middle term and what you have to take what are common factors. Clear? Then you have to find out this factor. It will take time. So easy way you can do in shortcut way. In 10th class, okay, they will you have to do very fast. That's why this method is very easy. Clear? You can adopt this method. So we will see one more problem. 2x square minus x minus 45 equal to 0. So how to find out the roots? Means the same way. 2 into minus 45. How will you write? Minus 90 split into 2 factor. Okay. Split into 2 factor. That means you have to get the middle term minus 1. The x coefficient only you have to write minus 1. Okay. X coefficient only you have to write minus 1. Okay. Here you see minus 90. 90 how to split up? 90 how to split up means just what find out. 2 means 45. Again 3 means 15. Again 3 means 5. So 6, 15. 6, 15 not possible. So leave it. Here 9, 10. 9, 10 is possible, right? 9, this is 9, then 10. Okay. You have to multiply and see. Different ways you have to multiply and see. So that you will get correctly matching factor here. Okay. So here 9, 10. 10 you write first. Then 9. Okay. Here this sign you see, middle term sign is minus 1. So biggest number you have to put minus sign, biggest number you put minus, smallest number plus you put. So next step very important. Okay, you see that x square coefficient is what? 2. That you have to write here 2. Okay, then into x you have to write, always into x. Here also by x you have to write. Clear? Same thing you have to write. Clear? Now here you see you can simplify here. 2 you cut means 5 times will go. So this can be written as x minus 5. This is nothing but what? X minus 5 into here what you will, how you can write here? 2x plus 9. 2x plus 9. That's why what? Sign is very important. You have to what? Mention the sign. Whether it is plus also you have to mention. You see, so that easily you can write 2x plus 9. You can write 2x plus 9. That's equal to 0. That's equal to 0. Therefore, 2 factors. That means split. Both factor you make 0. Here what you will get? X is equal to 5. And here 2x is equal to minus 9. X is equal to minus 9 by 2. Therefore, 5 and minus 9 by 2 are roots of given quadratic equation. Right? So easy way, that is, this is a easy way of doing factorization in 10th class. Very very important. Next chapter we are going to study quadratic equations. Clear? So in that chapter easily we can do. Okay. Some more problem also I will teach. A typical problem I will teach. Clear? You see the next problem, that is you have square root. That means what? Irrational numbers you have. Clear? In irrational number also what you can, if you apply the same method, easily you can factorize. Clear? Sometimes what if you get irrational number means on taking common you will get confusion. Clear? Some students they will do mistakes while taking common. But in this method you never get mistakes. You see, 4x square coefficient first you write as usual you do. 4 root 3 into minus 2 root 3. This step is very important. Clear? Plus into minus you write. Okay. 4 into 2 8. 4 into 2 8. Then root 3 into root 3 3. 8 into 3 24. Straight away you write. Multiply this one means first number multiply. 4 into 2 8. Then root 3 into root 3 3. So 8 into 3 24. Minus 24. Split up. into 2 factors. Split up into 2 factors. Okay, so that you have to get the middle term as plus 5. Middle term you have to get plus 5. Understand? Middle term you have to get plus 5. Such factor you have to find out now. 24. So to get 5 means, so 24 factors what? 8 into 3. Understand? Very simple. Easily. Or if you don't know means you put like this and will check. 24, 2 table, 12, 2 table, 6, again 2 table, 3. Right? So you see here 2 into 2, 4, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 3. You put 8 into 3. Right? Understand? These 3 as one number you take, multiply means 8. Then this will be what? 3. So that when you add, plus only you have to get. Okay, here plus you have to get means bigger number you have to plus. Okay, smaller number you put minus. So that while adding you are getting plus 5. Okay, while product you are getting minus 2. Both ways should be satisfied. That is already you know that. Okay. Now what you have to do is, here you see x coefficient you write here divided by x coefficient 4 root 3 into x you have to write. Here also 4 root 3 into x you write. Clear? Now you see, you simplify this. Simplify this here. What in 4 table it will go 2 times. It will go 2 times, right? It will go 2 times. Here here also you can simplify this. Root 3 you can cut. Root 3 you can write it as this 3 is root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 you have to write. 1 root 3 you have to write. Clear? Correctly you have to do. You see, root 3 is nothing but what? Root 3 into root 3. Clear? So 1 root 3 you cut means root 3 will come. Here this root 3 you cut means here root 3 will come, right? Okay, this simplification part you don't know means you have to learn, no other way. Okay, you have to learn it. Here you see correctly simplified. Okay, now you write root 3x plus 2. So one factor is what? Root 3x plus 2. This is shortcut way, right? Now here another factor you see 4x minus root 3 with sign. Properly outright with sign 4x minus root 3, that's equal to 0. That's equal to 0. Clear? Suppose we have doubt, you see ordinary method. Clear? You split this. Okay, using that factor you have to split and take common. Correctly will get this. Okay, now both factor you have to make 0. Root 3x plus 2 equal to 0 and 4x minus root 3 equal to 0. So one more problem also we will see. Root 2 y squared minus 3y minus 2 root 2. How to factorize this one? You see, y squared coefficient first write root 2 into minus 2 root 2. Okay, first sign you write minus, plus into minus, minus. Correctly how to multiply? Already 1 2 is there. Root 2 into root 2. So 2 into 2 4. Minus 4. You have to split into 2 factor, so that you have to get minus 3 here. To get minus 3. So here 4 into 1 is correct. Okay, 4 into 1 is correct. 4 into 1. So, but here what is the sign? Minus 3. So, big number you put minus sign, small number plus sign. Then only what? While product you will get, while addition you will get correctly. Right? Understand? While adding coming, minus 3 and product minus 4. Right? Now, what is the y squared coefficient? Root 2. You have to divide here. Root 2 into y you have to write. Okay, here. Same way here also. Root 2 into y. Understand? Now, here you see this can be written as what? This 4 by root 2. Separately you do. 4 can be written as what? 2 into 2, right? By root 2. So, this 2 nothing but root 2 into root 2. 1 2 you write as it is. Another 2 what? Root 2 into root 2 by root 2. That means 1 root 2 cancel means 2 root 2. This is nothing but this root 2 you cut means this will become 2 root 2. Okay. This is the simplification part. Understand? That's all. Now easily you can write the factor using y minus 2 root 2 1 factor. Another factor is root 2 y plus 1. Okay. First factor to write y minus 2 root 2 is one factor. Another factor is 2 root 2 y plus 1 equal to 0. Two factor easily will get. Okay. Therefore, you make both the factors 0. Y minus 2 root 2 equal to 0 means y is equal to 2 root 2 and root 2 y plus 1 equal to 0 means y equal to minus 1 by root 2. Right? Plus 1 bring this side, minus 1, this root 2 you divide. Therefore, 2 root 2 and minus 1 by root 2 are roots of quadratic equation. Roots of given quadratic equation. Understand? So this part is very, very important. Correctly how to multiply and find out this one. Okay, simplification part. Very important. Okay. You learn it. You don't know means what? You have to learn. Clear? Then the rule you have to remember always. So you can do very fast. Understand? Because 10th class you have to do what? Very fast. Then only you can complete all the problems. Okay. You see one more harsh type problems you will see. Okay, how to factorize this one. Okay, ordinary method very difficult, but in the shortcut way easily you can do. So first as usual you do a y square coefficient what? A plus b the whole square into here minus a minus b the whole square constant term. Both you multiply means what you will get plus into minus you write. Okay, but here you see both are squaring. So that what you multiply inside one you multiply means a plus b into a minus b is what? A square minus b squared. A square minus b squared the whole square. This one you have to split into two factors. Means you have to get minus 4ab. Y coefficient you have to write minus 4ab. You have to write. Correctly you have to write. Only coefficient with sign minus 4ab you have to get. So then you have to choose that factor. Choose that factor here. So how will you choose the factor here? Because minus 4ab you have to get. So here you do one thing. A plus b whole square. You can take. You have to split into two factors. Okay, split into two factors. First you take a minus b whole square. Okay, here a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square you take. Right. Now see, you just apply a minus b whole square is what? A squared plus b squared minus 2ab. This one a plus b whole square is what you will get? A squared plus b squared plus 2ab. When you subtract only what? You will get minus 4ab. So here minus minus, here minus, right? So when you subtract only you are getting minus 4ab. Okay, so that here you put minus sign. Here you put minus sign. Clear? You try to understand this step. This one while adding. Okay, while product you see minus plus into minus minus product you are getting same thing. Clear? Whole square. While adding you will get minus 4ab. Both way it is satisfied. Satisfy or not? Okay, here you see this expansion I have written. This expansion you write. Okay, then subtracting means sign change. Means these two will be cancelled here, but minus 2ab, minus 2ab, minus 4ab. Waiting. That's all over. Now you see you write this coefficient you write. Okay, y squared coefficient you write. What is the coefficient? A plus b the whole squared into y. Always you write into y. Okay. Here also you write a plus b the whole square into y. You write into y. Right? Now here what? Numerator and denominator same here. You see numerator and denominator are same, so that you can cancel it. You can cancel it. Numerator and denominator same or not, so that you can cancel it. But here it is not same. That's why what you have to write as a factor, that is a plus b whole square into y plus, sign is very important, plus a minus b the whole square is one factor. This is one factor into another factor is what? Y, denominator y you have minus 1 here, both cancel means numerator you have 1. So y minus 1 is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Therefore, this factor equal to 0 and the other factor equal to 0. That means here a plus b whole squared y plus a minus b the whole square equal to 0 and y minus 1 equal to 0. So now this one you bring this side, then divide means y equal to what you will get? Minus a minus b the whole square by divided a plus b the whole square, and here y equal to 1 you are getting. Therefore, this can be written as minus of a minus b by a plus b the whole square, and right, okay, y equal to this one and y equal to 1. So these two are the roots of this equation. These two are the roots of this equation. Okay, so simply they can easily find out. Okay, so very difficult. Ordinary method if you do means what? You will get confusion and what? It will be very tough. Clear? So this is what easy way. Easily we can do. Okay. You see, when you have x square coefficient is 1. Same way only how to do. Okay. Here how will you write 1 into minus 273 is equal to minus 273, right? Split into 2 factors. That means middle term minus 32 you have to get. Minus 32. Okay, you have to get minus 32. Now, this one 273. Then how will you split? Simple way you write 273. Simply divide 3 table 9 time 1 time. Again 3 table. 3 table cannot divide. So 7 table. Okay. 1 time 3 times. That's all. Prime number. 13 is prime number. Easily you divide. Understand? Now you see 21, 13. Not possible. 3 into 13. 39. 7. 32 coming. 39, 7. Multiply. 39, 7 means okay, when you take minus 39, biggest number minus, this is small means while adding minus 32 you are getting, product also you are getting, right? So like this you have to do factorization. Okay, now when you have x square coefficient 1, straight away you write, because here what as usual, wow, x square coefficient what 1, okay, 1 into x you will write, okay. So you cannot simplify at all, as it is x minus 39, here x plus 7. So that when you have what x square coefficient 1, you can write it straight away x minus 39 into x plus 7. Same method only we are doing, right? Here you are writing by x, by 1 into x here by x, right? Clear or not? X square coefficient 1, you are writing 1 into x is x. So now you write x minus 39, x plus 7 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 39 equal to 0 and x plus 7 equal to 0. So what? X is equal to 39 and x is equal to minus 7 are the roots. Therefore, 39 and minus 7 are roots of given quadratic equation. Given quadratic equation, right? So the same method you can use in polynomial chapter also, finding zeros of quadratic polynomial. Clear? You can use it easily. You can use it. Okay. For finding cubic polynomial also. Okay. While doing factorization, you can find out. Clear? Factorize cubic polynomial also. Clear? We have another method, that is synthetic division method. Okay. I will teach another video. I will teach synthetic division, factorization of cubic polynomial in a short way. Clear? Shortcut way, simple way, easily we can do.